Congratulations on buying your Essel Energy electric bicycle GET7. Your GET7 e-bicycle comes with everything attached and ready to use. Before you take your bike for a spin, let's get you familiarized with its features. Your e-bicycle comes with two sets of keys. The remote in your key has 4 buttons. The first button is to lock the bike just the way a car is locked to protect it from theft. The second button is to deactivate the lock. The third button, which has the flash sign on it, is to activate the keyless mode. That is, you can ride the e-bike with the key in your pocket. To deactivate the keyless operation, you have to press the second unlock button. The fourth button is an added alarm feature just in case you forget where you parked your e-bicycle. Now, you have 3 keys in your key set. The biggest key has a bicycle design made on it, which is used for turning the e-bicycle on and off manually. The key with the red dot is used to lock the back wheel of your e-bicycle so that no one can just ride away your e-bicycle. The third key is for unlocking the lithium-ion battery from its clamp and removing it so that you can take it for charging near a plug point or for safekeeping. To remove the battery, you need to use the big key with the bicycle design on it to unlock and tilt the seat forward. Then use the second key to unlock the battery from its clamp. And don't forget to remove the 3-pin power connector from the battery before you slowly slide out the battery up with the help of the handle provided. When you insert the lithium-ion battery back inside, make sure you slide it back carefully so that the battery can be locked with the frame. Don't forget to put the 3-pin power connector back on the battery and then tilt the seat back and lock it. To charge the battery, use the adapter which has come with your e-bicycle by inserting the round pin on the socket of the battery. The LED indicator light on the adapter will turn green when your battery is completely charged. It takes approximately 4 to 5 hours to fully charge your drained battery. Don't worry if your battery is charged for more than 5 hours or overnight. The battery management system technology in your battery will keep it safe. The other features which we have given in your e-bicycle GET7 are drum brakes in front and rear wheel, powerful LED headlight, tail light, indicator lights, horn, mobile phone stand with USB charging point, battery charge indicator, 2 shockers in front and 4 at the back as well, 3 speed modes, 24-inch wheel with sturdy metal spokes, rainwater guard and footrest for comfortable riding. The back seat is 2-in-1. It can be used to seat a passenger comfortably with the backrest, and it can also be opened up to load your heavy goods. The e-bicycle comes with another great safety feature. Both the brake handles come with a sensor to cut off the power to electric motor. While riding, if you apply any of the brakes and forget to let go of the throttle, then also the sensors will cut off the power to the motor. The most special feature of this bike is its pedal assist mode. To activate this mode, you just have to turn on the e-bicycle with your key. Then without using the throttle, just pedal the bike 4 to 5 times and you will see the pedal assist function start. This way you are pedaling without any effort and also conserving the power of your lithium-ion battery. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook @Essel Energy. Go electric, go green, happy riding, be safe.